how many ounces in a cup? In the United States, there are 8 fluid ounces in a cup. However, it's important to note that the measurement of a cup can vary in different countries. In some other countries, a metric cup may be used, which is equivalent to 250 milliliters, which is equivalent to 250 milliliters or approximately 8.45 fluid ounces. Always check the specific measurement system being used to ensure accuracy in your cooking or baking. In the culinary world, precision is key, and understanding the measurements of ingredients is fundamental to achieving culinary excellence. One of the common conversions that often leaves home chefs scratching their heads is the relationship between cups and ounces. Join us on this exploration as we unravel the mystery of kitchen conversions and shed light on the question, how many ounces are in a cup? 1. The American cup standard. In the United States, the standard cup measurement for liquids is 8 fluid ounces. This consistency simplifies recipes and ensures a uniform approach to cooking and baking. Discover the origins of this culinary standard and how it has become a reliable benchmark in American kitchens. 2. The metric cup conundrum. Venture beyond American borders and you'll encounter the metric cup. In some countries, a metric cup is equivalent to 250 milliliters or approximately 8.45 fluid ounces. Understand the differences in measurement systems and the importance of being mindful of variations when trying recipes from around the globe. 3. Precision in baking. For baking enthusiasts, precision is paramount. Delve into the world of baking measurements, where slight variations can significantly impact the outcome of your favorite treats. Learn how understanding the ounces in a cup can elevate your baking game. 4. Practical kitchen tips. Armed with the knowledge of cup-to-ounce conversions, navigate your kitchen with confidence. Uncover practical tips for converting recipes, adjusting ingredient quantities, and ensuring culinary success without the stress of measurement ambiguity. 5. International perspectives. Explore how different countries approach kitchen measurements and the role cultural influences play in shaping culinary practices. From cups to grams, gain insights into the diverse world of cooking metrics. As we demystify the relationship between cups and ounces, we empower ourselves in the kitchen. Whether you're following a classic American recipe or trying your hand at international cuisine, a clear understanding of these measurements is the key to culinary mastery. Let the precision of ounces in a cup be your culinary compass, guiding you to delicious and perfectly executed dishes. Happy cooking!